Technology has changed the world as far as we might be concerned and will do so for the foreseeable future. Any discussion about arising technologies that will affect our lives is not possible without a reference to artificial intelligence, and as it should be. It is an incredible trend that will shape the future of work, transform each sector comprehensible and touch every aspect of life. AI trends in 2021 support each significant technology in the market today, and this will extend in the years to come. Indeed, every significant technology that will rule the industry in the next 5 years will leverage AI in some form or another. AI trends in 2021 to shape our world. Intrinsic security. For a very long time, the technology world followed a rushed-on approach to deal with security that predominantly comprised patching the infrastructure from the data center to the edge. With the risk landscape getting progressively intricate and refined with the terrible actors get more complex, it is currently peculiar that this isn't working. Security needs to be reinvented from the current model to be incorporated into each part of the infrastructure and applications deployed on it, in this way lessening the attack surface essentially. The attention is on known good conduct that can distinguish irregularities, which would then be isolated and tended to. AI, ML will frame the underpinnings of this characteristic and intrinsic security model. The future of intelligent security will lie in how intrinsic security methodologies work regarding infrastructure. 5G, distinct game changer for the telcos domain. From smart cities to associated healthcare to better security, there are endless use cases for 5G. Delivering modern applications and services requires an agile and versatile telcos cloud and a multi-cloud technique that can bring together your organization network and IT environments and associate them with private edge clouds, enterprise clouds, and public clouds. As the network grows, AI will be the component to work on the intricacy that will unavoidably emerge out of countless endpoints and exceptional volumes of data. IoT and Edge. IoT and Edge are quick turnings into the most intense superpowers of the tech world. The predictions are for billions of endpoints being deployed as advanced digital transformation takes hold across different ventures. Indeed, even in India, we see large-scale deployments in boundlessly original use cases like smart cities, intelligent surveillance, electric vehicle charging infrastructure, clinical applications, and many more. IoT Edge are a reality, and we will see this progressively rise. Building, managing, running, and securing such boundless IoT edge executions will develop intricately with different endpoints. Also, it is impossible without integrating AI and ML into the IoT stage. In the next few years, we will see a more significant amount of such AI-powered IoT deployments across sectors. Blockchains. Blockchain, which began as a branch of cryptocurrency development, is gaining a great deal of traction. Even though blockchain's advancement has had its difficulties because of various approaches, things are developing clearer on its advancement and evolution. The potential for enterprise blockchains is enormous and will significantly affect organizations in the following 5 years. Gartner shows that by 2039, business value added by blockchain technology will increment to $3.1 trillion. A blockchain is a decentralized, upright, unchangeable space for encoded data, and AI trends in 2021 is the brain that can investigate and decipher that information dependably and rapidly to drive unique insights. The two can cooperate to change the idea of transactional organizations. Cloud-native applications. We are witnessing a distinct change in application infrastructure with an ever-increasing number of organizations moving to cloud-native applications. IDC predicts that by 2022, 35% of all production applications will be cloud-native. Also, that from 2018 to 2023, with new tools, platforms, more developers, agile techniques, and lots of code reuse, it will create 500 million new logical applications, equivalent to the number built over the previous years. Conclusion. AI trends in 2021 is an idea that keeps on contacting more individuals and keeps on developing because of the multitude of specialists, scientists, engineers and entrepreneurs dedicated to propelling the field and bringing it to the majority. 2021 seems to be one more year of experimentation and potential forward leaps that will expand upon the works by earlier years. Recent developments and innovations may astound us as new challenges continue to pop up. A Bill Must production.